So according to reports, digital e-commerce industry is expected to grow up to $6.8 trillion by 2025. So if you're sleeping on this opportunity, you need to wake up, my friend. You need to create something that can make hell of money while you travel and sleep. And today exactly in this video, I am going to share step-by-step process how you can create and sell digital products so that you don't have to watch another YouTube video every single day. Just grab your pen and take notes. Let's dive into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Aklan and I have been in this online industry from past 10 years. So here is a quick brief what I am going to share with you exactly in this video. A quick comparison of physical and digital products and what are the top digital products you can sell today. And also how to choose your niche and how to define your own USP so that you can create a product of your choice. I will also share with you which are the best platform you can use to list your own digital products. And at the end, I will share the most important part of this video, which is how to market your own digital products so that your own business can pass up to 10K per month in a single year. Now before we start, let me be honest and let me share with you pros and cons of this business so that you can know how this business model actually works. And let's talk about pros first. This exact digital product business model can be started under only $100. That means you need less investment to start this business because you are going to use the free tools to create your own digital products. Second thing is the business model is completely passive. That means the money will flow into your own bank account while you do anything. For example, you are traveling, sleeping or spending time with your family. The major thing is digital product industry is booming and future belong to this. The independent analyst shows the growth of overall business to $26 trillion until 2035 due to AI. The fourth thing is business can give you high returns up to 80 to 90% margins because there is no warehousing or shipping involved as like physical business. And the last but not least, business can be run solo. That means you don't need bigger teams. Now let's have a look at some of the cons of this business. The first thing is you must have a skill to get really successful at this business. And when I talk about skills, that can be anything you can do better than others. And I will also give you some of the examples later on in this video as well. The second thing is the business is not right for you if you are a complete beginner. You must have some sort of knowledge, content system, audience, or at least basic understanding of any skill set. The last thing is this is not a get rich quick scheme. You must have to put in work. But as I told you earlier, the work you put in will be more worth than any other business model. As I have done almost any online business, so I am sharing my own thoughts and experience with you. So let's jump to our first part of this video, which is comparison between e-commerce business models. Okay, so many of you are aware of e-commerce business model, right? Which are physical products and digital products. Let's have a comparison. What challenges we came across when we are going to start this business and why digital products are more worth than physical products. Now, most of the time when we talk about physical products, there is a single word which came to our mind, and that is dropshipping. And honestly speaking, selling $10 to $30 cheap product from AliExpress will only create a headache for you, and you will lose money in returns and disputes because that business model is not sustainable anymore. The second factor which makes this business model so hard is the investment and energy you are going to put in. And at the end, Shopify holding your payment for a month just to prove them you are a legitimate business. And also, it does not build any trust with your customer because you are deceiving them by selling the cheap AliExpress products, which does not add any value to their money. Now just imagine and for a moment compare these two things with a business model that you are going to own 100%. I mean the business, the product, the brand, and also this business model provide you 80 to 90% return. While there is main thing, you don't need to worry about the refunds because majority of the top platforms does not allow refunds for digital products. And if I talk about fulfillment and investment, digital product also dominate here as well because you are not going to fulfill any orders. Digital products will be able to download when customers are going to make a purchase. So the only investment is if you are going to put any money on ads or if you are going to buy any software to create products, because product creation will take some of your time, and it's not like physical products by buying tens of thousands of dollars inventory from China and sitting that inventory into your own warehouse without providing any returns or sales on your investment. Okay, let's quickly dive into the top digital products that you can create, and then I will move to the product creation part before you skip this video. Although the list of digital products is very long, but the industry leading products that you can sell right now are few of them. First one, we have the eBooks, which I will show you exactly in this video how you can create them. Second are the short courses, and you can also use Canva to create them. But make sure if you are going to sell the courses, you need to add a community with it so that your customer can chat or ask any question about your products. And this is where you will provide additional value to your customers other than your competitors. Third, you can also create templates that solve a specific problem. For example, Instagram post template, ebook template, or any specific business related template, which can be Airbnb, productivity, or finance templates. These even can be Canva templates as well. For example, wedding cards, birthday cards, and video editing template. And this video editing template I do sell as well. If you need to edit your videos and create ebooks just like me, I will happy to offer it on a discount. You can get the lifetime access of all the templates for only $15. I will mention the link in the description. Okay, so anyway, move ahead. 4 digital products are the wallpapers. And if I show you, there is a guy who is making 100K per year by selling those. and he's bringing all the traffic from his YouTube channel, which I will show you later on in the marketing part of this video, how you can actually bring traffic from YouTube to your own digital product landing page. And last digital product that is also my favorite, and it's selling mockups. So these are basically mockups which you can sell to business owners who are going to sell those products on Etsy. Now before I dive into product creation part of this video, let me show you some of the examples of creators who are already making tens of thousands of dollars every single month by selling digital products. So first, of course, it's my own business model, which is making almost 100K per year by selling digital products through Shopify. So basically we are using Facebook ads to scale our business. And these are some kind of ebooks and templates which we are selling. Another example of selling digital products and making 50K a month is Rory Oma. Now this creator shared exactly on her YouTube channel what challenges she came across while starting his career. Now understanding this point is extremely important because this is your core product idea. So she faced actually ADHD issues, and first she solved that specific problem for herself, and she actually created a ADHD template which helped her to make first $10,000 per month. And the same thing applied to the next 3 creators as well, and they also made tens of thousands of dollars by selling digital products. One of them is a lawyer, and he basically sells digital wallpapers through his Twitter audience and YouTube, and makes at least 100K per year by selling those digital wallpapers. The other guy runs a design agency, and he brings all the traffic from Twitter. So he charges a payment on subscription basis from his clients. And through this, he makes millions every single year. So basically, he created a digital course around that niche, and that course is making already 40 to 50K per month. The last example is selling Notion templates on YouTube. Now this guy created a dedicated channel for specific Notion templates. Now his main channel is not making that money which he is making from a single niche channel, because he is only focusing to sell the Notion templates to business owners which are solving a specific problem. Now let's keep all of these creators in your mind and define your own USP and niche. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have worked personally on your self-improvement and growth, and there is something you can add value in someone's life. So understand your audience problem now and keep one single person in your mind. Now our first part can be what age person can actually benefit from it. Probably someone just like you if you have worked on your own self-improvement. Now just imagine how you can add value to their own self-improvement journey. Let's say how they can stay more organized, productive along with managing their own daily routine. But here is the catch which you need to have in mind. Just think about a single problem you have gone through or just going right now. And what is the solution you have actually find? Is there any book? Is there any product? Or whether just right now if you are looking for a solution and how you are actually going to find that. So basically that's how people will find solutions in your products. Now let's discuss how you can create your own digital products and which software you can use. So all the products and examples which I have mentioned earlier, you can create them using Canva, which is a free tool, and you can use it to create all type of digital products. And here is a quick guide how you can create your own fast digital product. So first basically collect all the data using ChatGPT so that when you are going to create your own digital product, you don't have to worry what you are going to include in it or what you are going to write about it. You can use a simple Google Doc and you can collect all your information inside it. So basically you have to include all the points which can help your customer to achieve the goal. That can be any specific picture, that can be any relevant example. You can also use any other examples if they have done it. So let me show you a digital product that I have created already using Canva. First of all, here is the ebook. Now there are 3 major parts that are important into your own ebook. First one is your ebook content, where you can include all the chapters which you are going to discuss in your ebook. And second ones are the images which can explain things more in details. The last one is your design and color that will make your product unique from your competitors. Now there are plenty of ebook templates in Canva which you can use to create your own. Just search for them and use the one which has more pages so that you should have enough designs to customize. Now if you look into my ebook, I have created this ebook from scratch. All the colors, images and designs, everything. I will mention the link in the description as I told you earlier. Now while customizing your ebook in Canva, you can change everything and you can include as your own. For example, you can change background color, text color or font. Even you can add different effects to your text, and also you can get any images or graphics from element section as well. So element section is just like Google, where you can get anything you want to add into your ebook. That can be any image, graphic or any icon. Now inside your ebook, you can actually include different affiliate links as well, which will eventually help you to earn a handsome commission, because there are some specific links which can pay you up to $100 per sale. If you look into my ebook, I have mentioned my Shopify affiliate link, as ebook is related to Shopify business. And if you look into my affiliate account, this specific link pay me $150 per sale made from my affiliate link. So don't worry, I will explain later on in the marketing part of this video how you can include high paying affiliate links into your own digital products. Even after that, you can also include your own paid links, which can be upsell of your own paid products, or that is basically a product with more support or additional features. Now there is main thing you need to understand, ebook can also be used as a lead magnet to collect emails. And that is a great way to build your own email list, which I will also discuss in the marketing part of this video. So after you have included all the information in your ebook, for example text, images, element, at the end you can save your ebook as a PDF. Now I will move to the next part part of this video, which is listing your own ebook for sale. So basically there are two platforms which I mostly use. One is Gumroad and other is Shopify. Now if you are a beginner, I will highly recommend you to start from Gumroad because it is easy to set up. But there is a high commission fee for Gumroad which is 10% compared to Shopify. Shopify charge you a less fee which is 2 to 3%. So if you're making $1,000 per month, it does not make sense to use Gumroad because you will be paying $100 in commissions. But as a beginner, as I told you earlier, to build your own email list or to sell digital products, you can use Gumroad. Now to list your own products on Gumroad, you can sign up using your email address. After your sign up is complete, you can add your own basic information, for example, your country and bank account. After that, go into product section and here you will find all the different options to sell digital products. For example, you can see we have the digital files, we have the ebooks, we have the community, and there are more other options. So what you can do is you can basically choose the right option. In our case, we will choose the ebook and then you can add your own product price. In ebooks, that should be around $15 to $29. Moving ahead, you can also include your description. Let me show you the product which I have listed on my Gumroad. You can see I have added a complete description about my product which does highlight the important features and also include some images as well. At the end, I have also included a section about me which also builds trust with your customers. Now let me show you how you can create these images and ebook for your cover photos. Now if you go into Gumroad cover size, you can see image size is mentioned here. So basically I will create this image by going into Canva and then by going into custom size section. Now in this section you can enter the dimension and you can also choose pixels, inches or millimeter. Now before we proceed to create your own Gumroad image, you have to create your own ebook cover. What you can do is you can actually use the search bar and look for ebook cover. After that, you will get plenty of templates which you can use to create your own, but you can choose any one which you like. Now in this image, after adding the text and putting an image about your ebook, you can save this image so that we can put it into your own mockup. Now after saving the image, what you can do is you have to create another canvas. So in our case, we will create a blank canvas so that we can create our own image cover. And after that, you can choose your own ebook mockup by going into element section. Just search for ebook mockups and you will get plenty of options to choose. Let's say if I choose this one, I will basically adjust this according to my own dimension. So just go to upload section and upload your own image which you have just saved. After uploading the image, just drag this image on your ebook mockup and it will capture it. Now after that, you can see our ebook cover is done. If you want, you can also include your ebook button or even text with it. Now to create a Gumroad cover, what you can actually do is you can go back to the dimensions which we have created already and just follow the same process to change the background, text or any image. You can also include this specific cover which we have just created here as well. So basically it's very easy. You just need a bit of your practice and then you can create your own unique and catchy. Now after you have created all of your images, you can go into download and then download them as a PNG. After downloading the image, go back to Gumroad and then you can upload here. Now after that, your ebook landing page is almost done. At the end, you can also include few other things, for example, product variations, upsells, or any specific thing about your product, including product policy. That can be your refund policy or your own product terms. Now there is a last part and that is uploading your own content. This is the part which will be delivered to your customer. So just go into this content part and as you can see, I have mentioned everything which will be delivered to customers once they are going to make a purchase. You can upload all your ebook file or anything which you are going to deliver to your customers. That can be a text, that can be an image, or even you can include different links, for example, Google Drive or your own social media links. In this section, you can also upsell your own paid product link if you are selling a lead magnet. Okay, so let's discuss about the most important part of this business and that is marketing. Now here is the important part. If you are selling a diamond and if you are selling it free, if you are not marketing your product, no one is actually going to buy this. Now what I mean is if you are selling a free diamond, actually you have to put this product in front of your customers to generate sales. So basically if no one is watching your product, there is no money or sales on your end. So to market your products, you have two ways. One is organic and one is paid marketing. Let me tell you which one is best and which is most my favorite. So first one is paid marketing, and if you go with this option, you have to spend at least $100 on Facebook ads. So your customer will be at the beginning where you will have to put $100 per day on ads because you are going to target top tier countries and you have to beat your own competitors' ad. So if you are going to spend $2 to $3 per day, basically you will struggle to make sales because you are not going to beat the algorithm, and that is basically a Facebook bidding system. That's mean if they are putting $70 to $80 per day, you have to put $100 per day to bring your products in front of their customers. In that way, first days of your marketing cannot be profitable, but later on you will make much more profits. So make sure you are going to run the ads for 7 to 14 days at least. The second way to market your products is to create content. And if you are going to create content to market your products, there is a single platform which I recommend, and that is YouTube, because that is the most powerful platform ever than Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. So all of those platforms does not even come close to that. Now on YouTube, if you are going to create content for your business, you can go with short form content at the beginning. But remember one thing, long form content will provide you more authority and authenticity of your brand. And if you are putting the long form content, there are more ways to monetize your content as well. But as I told you earlier, before you start promoting your product through organic content, you have to create a free lead magnet. And that free magnet will eventually help you to build your own email list. So basically, you are going to own all the audience that you are bringing on your email list. And along with your YouTube content, there are plenty of ways to monetize your own email list as well. You can use the platform like Beehive and Pave to monetize your email list, where you can get brand sponsorships. Even you can sell affiliate products inside your email list, or you can sell your own one-to-one consultation. So basically, by doing this, you will build your own trust and authority into your own niche, and that will help you to build your own personal brand. Now here is the important thing which you need to remember while creating content on YouTube. Make sure to create a new account from scratch. Don't use your previous accounts because you are not sure what type of content you are watching on those. After creating a new account, make sure to follow the creators in your own niche. You can also subscribe their channel, you can like their content, or even you can comment on their videos. So basically, this will help the algorithm to understand your audience and your niche. So once you are going to create the content, basically your content will be shown to the same audience of your competitors. If you are going to create the short or long form videos, you can also use the Canva to edit your videos. It's just simple drag and drop where you can include images, elements, and text of your choice. If you want to save a lot of your money and time on editing your videos, you can check the link in description, which is my video editing and ebook Canva template that will help you to create your own ebook or even editing your videos in a faster way. So if you're just starting out in content creation, make sure to plan early. What you can do is you can create 10 to 20 reels in advance, and after that you can post one reel a day and you will not burn out. So at the beginning, to get better results in 3 months, make sure to put one single reel every single day. Now building your own content can be monetized in different other ways than digital products as well. For example, brand sponsorships, affiliates, or ads revenue. Now first, if I talk about brands basically pay $20 to $100 per 1,000 views. So this basically depends on your niche and your audience country. So if your audience is from top tier countries, you will get paid more, and if your audience is from low tier countries, you will get paid less. So same thing goes for your ad revenue as well. Now if I talk about affiliate products, you can use Gumroad affiliate products to tag them into your own description. And also you can sign up for Impact account where you can get all the high paying softwares. For example, Shopify and Canva. And these are the high paying companies. Hostinger is one of them, which pays you $150 per affiliate sale. Now if you go to Gumroad, there are plenty of products over there. These are the digital products and that pay you up to 60% commissions. For example, if you look into this product is sold above 7,000 times and product price is above $200, which means this product has generated so far $1.4 million in revenue. And this creator offer an affiliate program as well. You can use their Gumroad URL and you can put affiliate at the end of URL where you can apply to become their own affiliate. But make sure you have a Gumroad account and you have verified your email address. The other affiliate program is Amazon Associate. You can simply sign up for Amazon Associate and then you can include all the product links on Amazon into your own video description. So there are plenty of brands on Amazon which are offering 30 to 40% commissions on different products. Now that can be products which can be related to your own videos. For example, if I am using this mic, I can include this link in my own video description. So if you look into this creator, he is a great example of Amazon Associate program and he has earned over 100k through Amazon affiliates. Now imagine he is making 100k per year just including links of the products that are shown into their own videos. So any product you are going to use into your own studio or in your own videos, you can include the links of that products. So to get paid more, make sure to add the links of products that cost above $100. In that way, anyone who is going to make the purchase, you will get more commission. So having said all of these, digital products business model is the best business model ever you can start. So if you're really passionate about building this business along with your day job, or if you want to monetize your passion in the right way, you can go to the first link in description and book a free meeting with me. And if you're looking to sell digital products through Shopify, the video on the screen will help you to start from scratch. So thank you for watching this video. That's it for today and I will see you in my next video.